morning students. We study 3 more questions from this exercise. First one, verify the distributive property A multiplied with B plus C is equal to A multiplied with B plus A multiplied with C for the rational numbers A, B and C. Let us consider the left hand side. A cross, that means A multiplied with B plus C gives you minus of multiplication B is 2 by 3 plus C is minus 5 by 6. You simplify inside the bracket, you will get into LCM. This is addition, no? So take LCM for 6 and 3, will get 6. 2 2s are 4, plus and minus will give you minus, and 1 5s are 5. So minus of into minus 5. You take away 4 from minus 5, will get minus 1 by 6. Gives you minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, 6 2s are 12. This is left hand side. Now right hand side. A cross A multiplied with B plus A multiplied with C is equal to minus of into B is 2 by 3. Okay. Plus A is minus of cross C is minus 5 by 6. Gives you get cancelled 2 and 2. So here minus 1 by 3. Here you multiply minus into minus plus. So plus 5, 6 2s are 12. So 12 is the LCM. There are 4 3s are, so minus 4 plus 5. So take away minus 4 from 5, you will get 1 by 12. This is right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the distributive from the question you write down the distributive property A cross B plus C is equal to A multiplied with B plus A multiplied with C is verified. Now fifth question, verify the identity property for addition and multiplication for the rational numbers 15 by 19 and minus 18 by 25. Identity element for addition is 0. 0 is the identity rational number. So 15 by 19 plus 0 gives you 15 by 19 is equal to 0 plus 15 by 19 for the first question. And second one, minus 18 by 25 plus 0 gives you minus 18 by 25 is equal to 0 plus minus 18 by 25. So 0 is the identity number for addition. Here for multiplication, first one 15 by 19 you multiply with 1 gives you 15 by 19, that is equal to 1 multiplied with 15 by 19. Second one minus 18 by 25 multiplied with 1 it gives you minus 18 by 25 equal to 1 into minus 18 by 25. So 1 is the identity number for multiplication. Second one, sixth one. Verify the additive and multiplicative inverse property for the rational numbers. This is inverse property. We have to prove inverse property. So, you have to get the answer 1. For first one, minus 7 by 17 plus, what you will get? Plus 7 by 17. That is equal to 0. Which is equal to 7 by 17 minus plus minus 7 by 17. So here let us consider A is the rational number, then minus A is the additive inverse. So for the second one, 17 by 27 minus, this is A, then minus 17 by 27 is the additive inverse for this one. So we get 0 equal to minus 17 by 27 plus 17 by 27. For this one, A is already given minus 7. So for this additive inverse is plus 7 by 17. So it gives you 0. For this one, for multiplicative inverse, we have to get the answer 1. So you multiply, that means for, let us consider A by B is the rational number. Then B by A is the multiplicative inverse. So for the first question, minus 7 by 17, you multiply with a 17 by minus 7, which gives you 1. Minus 7 get cancelled, and a plus 17 and plus 17 get cancelled, which gives you plus 1. So 17 here, 17 by minus 7 into minus 7 by 17. For the second question, 17 by 27, A by B is multiply with a B by A. So 27 by 17 gives you 1. So 27 by 17 into 17 by 27. Both the numerator and denominator get cancelled, will get 1. So multiplicative inverse is B by A. Okay, thank you students.